Hello students, in our method the integration by partial fraction, we are already discussed the integrations by partial fraction when denominator is expressed as the 2 or 3 non-repeated linear factors. Okay, and we discussed the examples in the exercise 3.4, which are the denominator contains the 2 or 3 non-repeated linear factors. Okay, now in this lecture we discuss the examples, okay, in which the denominator is expressed as the repeated linear factors. That is the repeated linear factor. There are the 2 repeated linear factor or the 3 repeated linear factors. Okay, now here the function, okay, any function in the rational form, okay, here we can take it as px plus q, px plus q, and upon x plus a whole square. Okay, there are the 2 factors, but the both factors are the repeated, that is x plus a into x plus a. Okay, then denominator contains the quadratic function. When it is a proper rational function, the numerator, degree of the numerator is less than the degree of denominator. When it is the quadratic function, then numerator it is a linear function or the constant. Okay, here it is a quadratic, then it is a px plus q, it is a linear. When p is equal to 0, it is only the q. That means the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. Now here the x plus a are the 2 repeated factors. Okay, then it is a rational form. We convert this into the partial form. Therefore here a upon x plus a and plus b upon, here we can write x plus a square. Okay, when the factors are the repeated linear factors. Okay, here x plus a. When non-repeated, it is x plus a and x plus b are the 2 factors. Then a upon x plus a and plus b upon x plus b. You can write the separately. It is a upon x plus a and b upon x plus b. But here the x plus a whole square, there are the 2 repeated linear factors. So we can write it is x upon a upon x plus a and plus b upon x plus a square. Okay, here it is a 2 linear factor. If the 3 linear factors x plus a cube, there are a cubic equation in the denominator. For the proper rational function, degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator. So in the numerator there is a quadratic function, linear function or the constant. Okay, so we can write here px square plus qx and plus r. Here there are the 3 linear factors, so we get the 3 constants, that is a, b and c. It is a capital A upon x plus a plus capital B upon x plus a square and plus c upon x plus a cube. When the 3 repeated linear factors. Okay, now if denominator contains the cubic function, but there are the 2 repeated factors and one is a linear factor. Okay, here it is a quadratic and it is cubic, then product of this it is a linear, then product it is a cubic function. So in the numerator there are the quadratic, linear or the constant. So we can write here px square plus qx plus r. Then here see carefully, there are the 2 factors, it is a x plus b and x plus a, but x plus a is a repeated. So we can write here a upon x plus a plus b upon x plus a square, it is a x plus a is a repeated, and plus c upon x plus b. Okay, here now this can be also in the form of this px square plus qx plus r whole to the upon, here x plus a and it is x plus b square. Okay, therefore this can be written as a upon x plus a plus b upon x plus b and plus c upon x plus b whole square. Okay, here it is a rational form and the rational form converted into the partial form. Here are the 2 repeated linear factor, it is a 3 repeated linear factor. Here denominator contains 3 linear factor, but in that 2 are the repeat. Therefore, here it is x plus a square and it is x plus b, or x plus a and it is x plus b square. Then this can be written in the form of this. Okay, here it is a denominator contains, that means denominator expressed as the repeated linear factor. Okay, here see carefully, it is a rational form and it is a partial form. Okay, now we see the examples on this. Examples in the exercise 3.4. There is a example number 13. Here, example, integrate the following with respect to x. Integrate the following with respect to x. Now the example number 13, x square, sorry, it is 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 square into x plus 3. Okay, now we can solve it by using the partial fraction. Okay. Therefore, let I is equal to integral of 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 with respect to x. Okay, integration with respect to x. Now here denominator contains 3 linear factors, but in this the 2 linear factors are the repeated. So this rational function, right, in the partial form as here, see carefully, it is 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square and it is x plus 3, then is equal to a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 1 square plus c upon x plus 3. Okay, now here a, b and c. Now we solve this. See carefully. Okay, therefore this is equal to a into the multiple of a, we write the denominators in the b and c. Therefore a into x plus 1 square into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 1 and x plus 3, b into x plus 1 x plus 3 and plus c into x plus 1 and it is x plus 1 whole square here, and in the whole to the upon we can write the multiple of these 3 factors here, x plus 1 into x plus 1 square and into x plus 3. See carefully, these 2 sides, here only the x plus 1 square and x plus 3, x plus 1 square, x plus 3, there is a x plus 1 is a extra, so the denominator cannot be compared. Okay, here, so it is x plus 1, but in the numerator it is x plus 1 and here it is x plus 1. We can take x plus 1 common and this x plus 1 get cancelled. See carefully this. Therefore we can write here this x plus 1, okay, a upon x plus 1 and it is x plus 3. Okay, x plus 1 take common, here x plus 1 take common, therefore b into, here we can write x plus 3 and plus here c into x plus 1 square, and now whole to the upon x plus 1 square into x plus 3. Okay, this x plus 1 get cancelled, and now in the LHS and RHS denominator is same, so numerators are also same, and therefore this can be written as here 3x minus 2 is equal to a into x plus 1 and x plus 3 plus b into x plus 3 and plus c into x plus 1 square, and it is equation number 1. Okay, and now we want to find the value of this constant a, b and c. Okay, in the non-repeated linear factor we can put the linear factor 0. When we put x plus 1 equal to 0, we get it is a. When we put this, we get b, and when we put the upon the c, we get the value of c in the non-repeated linear factor. Now here the repeated factor, here we want to find the three constants a, b and c, but there are the, when we put x plus 1 equal to 0, and it is also x plus 1. Okay, there are only two linear factors to substitute 0. Okay, now see carefully. Okay, what will be the procedure? It is when we put, first we put x plus 1 equal to 0, then we put x plus 3 equal to 0. Here we have the two factors. Okay, there are the three, but one is repeat. So here we get the two factors, that is x plus 1 and x plus 3. X plus 1 and x plus 3. So we put first x plus 1 equal to 0 and then put x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, here put x plus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. Okay, in this equation we put x plus 1 equal to 0, therefore x plus 1 equal to 0, that means x is equal to minus 1, and therefore we get here 3 into minus 1 minus 2, 3 into minus 1 minus 2 is equal to x plus 1 is 0, that means the term of a is 0, plus b into minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 3, and this c is also 0 because x plus 1 is 0. And now here it is minus 3 minus 2, it is minus 5, and it is a 2b. See carefully, minus 5 and 2b, therefore minus 5 is equal to 2b, it is 2b, and therefore b is equal to minus 5 by 2. See carefully this, b is equal to minus 5 by 2, it is the value of b. When we put x plus 1 equal to 0, now we put x plus 3 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 3. Okay, in equation number 1 we get it is 3 into minus 3 minus 2 is equal to, when we put x plus 3 equal to 0, the first term will be 0, x plus 3 equal to 0, the second term is also 0, and plus c into minus 3 plus 1 whole square, and therefore see carefully, it is minus 9 and minus 2, it is minus 11, and here minus 3 plus 1, it is a minus 2, and minus 2 square, it is a 4, that means 4c is equal to minus 11, that means minus 11 is equal to 4c, and therefore c is equal to minus 11 by 4, it is the value of c. Okay, now we put the both factors, that is the two factors, x plus 1 and x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, here are the x plus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Why we are putting the x plus 1 and x plus 3 is equal to 0? Because when we put x plus 1 equal to 0, the first a and c are get cancelled, we get the value of b. When we put x plus 3 equal to 0, a and b are the 0, we get the value of c. Okay, now the third factor is here repeat. So the third value, when we put x is equal to minus 1, we get b. When we put x is equal to minus 3, we get c. Now the value of x, it is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 3. We put the third value to find the third constant, that is b, c. We want to find the value of a. To find the third constant, we put x is equal to any real number other than x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 3. Okay, we put any real number other than x is equal to -1 and x is equal to -3. Okay, we put x is equal to 0, or we put x is equal to 1, we put x is equal to 10, x is equal to 5, x is equal to 10, 11, any real number. Okay, but to simple calculation we put x is equal to 0. Okay, other than these two numbers, x is equal to -1 and x is equal to -3, other than -1 and -3 we put any real number. Now find the value of a. We put x is equal to 0 and then we find the value of a. Okay, here see carefully. आतापर्यंत आपण काय करत होतो, a b आणि c ह्या व्हॅल्यू काढायला, काय a ची व्हॅल्यू काढायला त्याच्या अपॉन मधला डिनॉमिनेटरला 0 करत होतो, a ची व्हॅल्यू मिळत होती. b च्या अपॉन मधला डिनॉमिनेटर 0 करत होतो, b ची व्हॅल्यू. c च्या अपॉन मधल्या डिनॉमिनेटरला 0 केले की तुम्हाला c ची व्हॅल्यू मिळणार. पण त्याच व्हॅल्यूला 0 कशामुळे करत होतो, तर कॅल्क्युलेशन थोडं सिंपल जात होतं. याला 0 केल्यामुळे तुमच्या दोन टर्म 0 राहिल्यात. तुम्ही कोणतीही व्हॅल्यू ठेवली तरी चालते, पण मग इक्वेशन तयार होतात ए बी आणि सी मधल्या. जर तुम्ही कोणतीही x इज इक्वल टू -1 किंवा x इज इक्वल टू -3 सोडून कोणत्याही व्हॅल्यू पुट केल्या तरी चालतात, पण नंतर काय होणार, तुम्हाला ए बी आणि सी मधल्या इक्वेशन्स येणार. मग त्या इक्वेशन पुन्हा सॉल्व्ह करायला लागणार. मग त्या इक्वेशन न येता डायरेक्टली व्हॅल्यू काढायची असली तर डायरेक्ट हे व्हेरिएबलच कॅन्सल झाले पाहिजे. इक्वेशन सॉल्व्ह करायला काय, पुन्हा कोएफिशिएंट सारखे करा, ॲडिशन घ्या, सबट्रॅक्शन घ्या आणि ते कॅन्सल करा. त्याच्यापेक्षा तुम्ही काय डायरेक्ट त्या टर्मलाच कॅन्सल करण्यासाठी काय आधीच पुट करायला, एक्सच्या जागा काय पुट करायचं ते. ओके, कोणताही रिअल नंबर पुट केला तरी चालते. ओके, 3 रिअल नंबर कोणतेही पुट करा. इथं आपण हे 2 ठेवलेत, आणखीन एक ठेवणार. नॉन रिपीटेड लिनियर फॅक्टरमध्ये सुद्धा काय करत होतो आपण, 3 व्हॅल्यू एक्सच्या कोणत्या तरी 0 ठेवत होतो, म्हणजे 3 फॅक्टर 0, एक फॅक्टर 0 करत होतो. म्हणजे 3 कोणते तरी रिअल नंबर एक्सच्या जागा पुट करत होतो, त्याच्यावर आपल्याला 3 व्हॅल्यू मिळत होत्या. ओके, त्याच व्हॅल्यू कशामुळे ठेवत होतो, कारण तुमचे 2 व्हेरिएबल, 2 कॉन्स्टंट काय होणार, रिमूव्ह होणार आणि एका कॉन्स्टंटची व्हॅल्यू मिळणार. ओके, आता इथेही तेच करायचे. इथं काय करणार, x+1 आणि x+3 हे एकदा 0 केले, एकदा b ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली आणि एकदा c ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. आता तुम्हाला काढायची a ची व्हॅल्यू. तर a ची व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी काय, x ची किंमत -1 आणि -3 ही सोडून कोणताही रिअल नंबर ठेवा. ओके, कोणताही रिअल नंबर, थोडं कॅल्क्युलेशन सोपं जावं याच्यासाठी आपण काय ठेवणार, x इक्वल टू 0. ओके, समजा इथं 0 ठेवलंच असतं तर आपण दुसरं x इक्वल टू 1 ठेवलं असतं. कॅल्क्युलेशन सोपं गेलं पाहिजे. तुम्ही x इक्वल टू 99 ठेवलं तरी चालते. ओके, कॅल्क्युलेशन थोडं डिफिकल्ट होईल, पण x इक्वल टू 0 ठेवा, इझी कॅल्क्युलेशन. ओके, नाव फॉर द फाइंडिंग द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a वी पुट x इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, नाव पुट x equal to 0 in equation number 1. Now here we get here, therefore 3 into 0 minus 2 is equal to, see carefully, a into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 3, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 3, plus b into 0 plus 3 and plus c into 0 plus 1 square. When we put x is equal to 0. Okay, now we want to find the value of a. Here in this expression a, b and c are there. Okay, but we want to find the value of a. Then we know the value of b and c, and that value we are already find out, b and c. Now put all values, see carefully. Here it is a 3 into 0, 0, so we can write here -2 is equal to 3a. 3, it is 1 into 3, 3, 3a, see carefully, plus 3 into b, this b, it is a -5/2, -5/2, and plus 1 square, it is a 1, and c is -11/4. Okay, now here, and therefore see carefully, it is -2 is equal to 3a minus 15/2 minus 11/4. Okay, see carefully the calculation. Therefore we can write 3a is equal to, see carefully, this 3a is equal to 15 and 11/4. We can write here -2 as it is. Now here we can take this, the calculation of this term. Okay, here when we can write, it is 15/2, common factor it is a 2, it is a 2 and 1, -30 and -11, -30 -11, it is a -41, -41 upon 4, the calculation of this term. Here minus 15 by 2 minus 11 by 4. Okay, here we can take this. See carefully. When 1 by 2 get common, we get here minus 15 and minus 11 by 2, and minus 11 by 2 here minus 30 minus 11 minus 41 by 2, that means it is a minus 41 by 4. We can write it is a plus 41 by 4. Okay. Yeah. And now see carefully this. Therefore 3a is equal to, it is 8 minus 8 plus 41, minus 8 plus 41, it is a 33 by 4, and therefore a is equal to 11 by 4. 3 get cancelled. It is the value of a, b and c. Now this can be written as 3x minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square into x plus 3 is equal to a upon, that is 11 by 4 upon x plus 1 plus b it is minus 5 by 2 upon x plus 1 square and plus minus 11 by 4 upon x plus 3. Here this put the value of ABC. Now to find the integral of this, we find the integral of this term. 11 by 4 upon x plus 1 minus 5 by 2 upon x plus 1 square minus 11 by 4 upon x plus 3 dx. Now separate the integral. Here it is 11 by 4 into integral of 1 upon x plus 1 dx minus 5 by 2 integral of 1 upon, sorry, it is 1 upon x plus 1. See carefully here. Okay, here 1 upon x plus 1, it is 1 by linear function, but here 1 by quadratic function, but it is a whole square. So this can be written as here x plus 1 to the power minus 2. 1 upon x plus 1 square, we can write x plus 1 to the power minus 2 dx minus 11 by 4 integral of 1 upon x plus 3 dx. Okay, here separate the integral. Now it is 11 by 4 log of x plus 1 minus 5 by 2. Here we use the x to the power n, that is x plus 1 to the power n plus 1, that is minus 1 upon minus 1, and minus 11 by 4 log of x plus 3 and plus c. Now it is first and third term, we can take common 11 upon 4, and then it is log of x plus 1 and it is minus log of x plus 3. Use the property of logarithm. X plus 1 upon x plus 3, and here this minus minus, it is a plus 5 by 2 and into this 1 upon x plus 1 and plus c. It is the last answer. See carefully, these are the repeated linear factors. There are the 3 factors, 2 are repeated and one is a separate linear factor. Okay, see carefully this. Now the next example. Example number 14. (5x square plus 20x plus 6 whole to the upon x cube plus 2x square plus x. Okay, now let integral is equal to 5x square plus 20x plus 6 whole to the upon x cube plus 2x square and plus x dx. Now see carefully, here in the denominator there is a cubic function, that means the three linear factors. Okay, now we find first the three factors. 5x square plus 20x plus 6 whole to the upon, here x we can take common, we get x square plus 2x and plus 1 dx. Now one linear factor, it is x and it is a quadratic function. Now again we factor of this quadratic function, but here it is x plus 2x plus 1, that means x plus 1 square, that means these two factors are the repeated linear factors. Okay, now here it is a 5x square plus 20x and plus 6 upon x into, it is x plus 1 whole square dx. X into, it is x plus 1 whole square. Now this rational function converted into the partial form, therefore we can write here 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x into x plus 1 whole square. Then here x plus 1 is repeated, therefore a upon x plus b upon x plus 1 and plus c upon x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 is repeated. Now again the procedure for the finding a, b, c. First take the addition of these three terms, then we can write here a into denominator of b and c plus x plus 1 and it is x plus 1 square plus b into x into x plus 1 square and plus c into x plus 1. Okay, x into x plus 1 and whole to the upon multiplication of these three denominator, x plus 1 and it is x plus 1 square. Now compare the denominator of LHS and the RHS. In the RHS there is one term is extra, that is the x plus 1. So this x plus 1 get cancelled. Here it is x plus 1 and it is x plus 1. Take the common x plus 1 in the numerator and cancel it. Then a into x plus 1 get common plus b into x and plus b into, we can take x plus 1 common, therefore b into x plus 1 and plus c into x and whole to the upon. Here it is x into x plus 1 square. Here x plus 1, it is x plus 1 and it is x plus 1 get cancelled. Now the denominator of RHS and LHS are the same, so numerator are also equal. Then we can write here 5x square plus 20x plus 6 is equal to a into x plus 1 square plus b into x plus 1 and plus c into x. It is equation number 1. Now first there are the three factors, but x plus 1 is a repeat. Now here put the x equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0, only two factor, and then third number we take other than the value of x. Here first x equal to 0 and then x plus 1 equal to 0, that means x is equal to minus 1. That means for the finding the third constant we can put other than x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1, any real number. Okay, now first we put x equal to 0. Here put x equal to 0 in equation number 1. In equation number 1 we put x equal to 0, therefore here 5 into x square, it is a 0. See carefully, 5 into x square 0 plus 20 into x, again it is a 0, and plus only 6 is equal to, when x equal to 0, it is a upon x, it is a 0 plus 1 square. 0 plus 1 square, x equal to 0, second term is 0 and last term is also 0. Now here it is a 6, it is a 1 square, it is 1, that is a equal to 6. The value of a, it is a 6. When we put x equal to 0, we get a is equal to 6. Now we put x plus 1 equal to 0. Now here put x plus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. Therefore, see carefully, we put x is equal to minus 1 in the equation 1, that is 5 into x square. Therefore, it is 5 into minus 1 square plus 20 into minus 1. 20 into minus 1 plus 6 is equal to, we put x plus 1 equal to 0. That means the first term is 0 and second term is also 0. We get the value of the third term. 0 plus 0 and plus c into minus 1. X plus 1 equal to 0, that means the term of the a0. X plus 1 equal to 0, that means second term is 0. We get the value of c. Now, here it is a minus 1. Now take the calculation. See carefully. Here it is a minus 1 square, that means it is a 5. 5 minus 20. 5 minus 20, it is a minus 15, and minus 15 plus 6, minus 15 plus 6, that is a minus 9. Okay, see carefully, this calculation, it is a minus 9, it is minus 1 square, okay, 5x square, it is a plus 1, therefore it is 5, it is minus 20, 5 and minus 20, minus 15, minus 15 plus 6, it is minus 9, minus 9 is equal to this minus c. Okay, minus c is equal to minus 9, and therefore c is equal to 9. We can directly write this minus 1, it is minus c, and it is a minus 9. Minus 9 is equal to minus c, therefore c is equal to 9. Now we want to find the value of b. Here we get c and here we get a. Now we find the value of b. So we put x is equal to a real number other than x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. Now, except x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1, we put x is equal to 1 to the easy calculation. Okay. Now, put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in equation number 1. Therefore, we get here again 5 into 1 square plus 20 into 1 and plus 6. Okay. 5x square plus 20x plus 6 is equal to a into, here we put x is equal to 1, we put x is equal to 1, therefore it is 1 plus 1 square plus b into, here x is equal to 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 and plus c into 1. We put x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 and c into 1. Now, here it is 5 plus 20, it is a 25, and plus 6, it is a 31. 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 6, it is a 31, is equal to, here 2 square, that is a 4. Okay, see carefully, and the value of a, it is a 6, therefore it is a 6 into 4. It is a 6 and it is 4 plus b. Okay, we want to find the value of b. Here it is a 2b and plus c. It is a 9, so we can write here 9. Okay, therefore see carefully the calculation. Okay, it is a 2b. Okay, here we can write here 2b is equal to, see carefully here, 6 into 4, it is a 24. 24 plus 9, 24 plus 9, it is a 33. 24 plus 9, it is a 33, and we take 33 in the LHS. 31 minus 33, that is minus 2, and therefore b is equal to 1. Sorry, it is a minus 1. Okay, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 9, and a is equal to 6. Put all values in this equation. Therefore 5x square plus 20x and plus 6 upon x into x plus 1 whole square is equal to a. What is the value of a? It is a 6. Plus b, it is a minus 1 upon x plus 1, and plus c, it is a 9 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now find the integral of this term. That means this replaced by this partial form, and therefore integral is equal to 6 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 1 and plus 9 upon x plus 1 whole square dx. Okay, now separate the integrals. 6 into 1 by x dx minus integral of x plus 1 dx, and here plus 9 into integral of x plus 1 to the power minus 2 dx. Here 9, and it is 1 upon x plus 1 square. You can write x plus 1 to the power minus 2, and then it is 6 into log x minus log of x plus 1 and plus 9 into, here it is x plus 1 to the power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c. Here we use x to the power n, x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and then the last answer it is 6 into log x minus log of x plus 1, this minus, okay, and here x plus 1 to the power minus 1, it is 1 upon x plus 1, therefore it is a 9 upon x plus 1 and plus c. It is the last answer. Okay, see carefully, it is a denominator contains 3 factors but 2 are the repeated. Okay, so check all the calculations and write in the notebook.